May I know your name, please?
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Vikas Prajapati. You can call me Vikas.
Okay, Vikas, from where are you?
I am from Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Gandhinagar is also known as the Green City of Gujarat, and it is the capital of Gujarat as well.
May I have your ID, please?
Yes, ma'am. This is my passport.
Fine, thank you, Vikas. Vikas, let's talk about photography. Do you like to take photographs?
Yes, ma'am. I am a photogenic person. In this era, everyone uses social media. So, for this purpose, I take photos of myself and my friend also. So I love photography. Also, I also love to click photos of nature as well because I am a bird watcher. So I click photos of bird as well.
Do you prefer to take photos yourself or other people take your photos?
Ma'am, usually I prefer to take selfies because I think I can give more because I think I can give more expression in a selfie rather than if someone click my photo.
How long have you liked taking photographs?
I don't like taking photographs in my childhood because I have little bit fear because I think I don't look that much good in a photographs. But after my father gave me a phone, because of this, I start clicking my photos in a front camera. After that, I like to click photos.
How often do you take photographs?
I take photograph regularly because I use Instagram. So to post story on Instagram, I take also I use Snapchat. So I want to send a snap to my friends. So usually I take a photo for that.
Okay. In what situations do you take photographs?
I take photograph in a happy situation because in a sad situation I don't prefer to take photograph because it after that if you watch this kind of photograph after sometimes it little bit make you sad. So I prefer to click photographs on the happy situation or some kind of ceremonies. So it gave me a happiness after when you watch it.
Okay. Who do you take photos of?
Who do you take photos? I said I have previously said that I am a bird watcher. So I love to click photos of nature and also as a wild animal, also birds, various kind of birds. So I usually prefer to click photos of nature and birds.
Okay, is there any other also? That
Yes.
means do you take photographs of other people?
Yes, ma'am. I usually take photographs of other people like my friends because I'm a good photographer. My friend usually prefer to click photos of them because they think I am a good photographer and I will click better pic than others.
Okay, guys, let's talk about television and radio.
Okay.
What kind of programs do you like to watch on television?
In India, every mother watch serials many times, so I don't have much time to watch my favorite program on the television. But when I have a time to watch my favorite program, I love to watch history. History. I usually prefer to watch History TV 18 because on History TV 18 there are various kind of program related to history. They also give more information about various kind of things. So I usually prefer to see this kind of program on television.
Okay. When do you watch television?
When I watch television in a midnight. Oh, sorry, ma'am. I watch television in a night. After. I usually prefer to watch television in a night because on a day I usually study or I also do a part-time job, so I don't have a time to watch TV on this time. So I usually prefer to watch TV after 10.
Okay. Do you like watching the same kinds of program all the time?
It depends on the program because if I watch a program for a long time, it little bit I feel like I feel bored after watching these same things for the long time. But yeah, if the was interesting, the program was interesting, I definitely watch it from start to end.
Okay, Vikas, Here's the end of speaking part 1 of your examination.
Okay, ma'am.
Now let's go for part 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Part 2, there is one topic, one min, and this is pen and paper. You can jot down your points on this paper. The topic is describe an article on health you read in a magazine or on the internet. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for giving this wonderful. Sorry. Thank you, ma'am, for giving this wonderful topic to speak on. My topic is describe an article which I read on a health issue in a magazine. I love to read. I am a reader. So usually I prefer to read various things on the magazine. Also, I am interested in the ways or different kind of topics to read. So I read one topic related to health. In this topic, the core subject was the decreation of sorry ma'am. Birth of child is decreasing in India with the duration of time in the last 10 years or in a decade. In this topic, they say that in India, due to the modernization and because of the invention of pregnancy pills and because of the childbirth, identification of childbirth, where people usually prefer to identify that child. Sorry, ma'am. Usually prefer to identify that child's sex or the gender. Because of that, they kill that child. Because of that, they kill that child because they want a boy instead of the girl. So because of this scenario, the ratio of girls and boys, the ratio between girls and boys was increased in the last 10 years. So after reading this article, I feel little bit sad because these kind of things might not be happen in any country because checking the gender of a children and after you killed it. So if you prefer to checking the gender of a child and after that you you killed it. So due to this, it's kind of a very tricky scenario in any country, and because of this, the ratio was increased and the birth of child is decreasing in the last 10 decades. So it's quite difficult. So I feel like this kind of mentality is not good for any society, and I feel a little bit sad
Okay,
because
Vikas.
of this.
Now, here's the end of part 2 of your speaking exam. Now this is the turn for part 3. Why do different people like to read different magazines?
People depends on the personal perspective or interest. People usually prefer to like different magazines to learn more, or they have a habit to read anything related new topics. So people prefer to read different kind of magazines according to their interest.
Okay, what kind of magazines do teenagers like to read?
Teenagers usually prefer to read, or they like to read like a comic magazine because they in a teenage they love to read about superheroes and everything. But I think that teenagers also have to read about the science invention and things related to science. because it gave them knowledge and also they build up their.
Do people like to read news from internet?
Yes, ma'am. In this era, people usually prefer to read. People usually prefer to read news on the internet because on internet you can check the news is correct or not, and also you save the paper. So people think that if you read the news on the internet, you will definitely save the nature as well.
Alright guys, it's the end of part 3 of your speaking exam. But before giving you score, I would like to point out your mistakes. The first mistake that you had done is of prepositions. It's not in night. It's at night.
At night.
And at many other places also. You had done you said that on happy situation, in happy situation. Similarly, you did some mistakes of tenses. And number 3, actually, it's depend. No, it depends. And after you killed, no, after killing.
Okay.
So because your part 2, there was no coherence and cohesion. The topic was describe the article on health you read in a magazine or on the internet, and you talked totally about mothers are taking some pills so the childbirth rate is decreasing, they are killing. After knowing the gender of the child, they are. Is this related to health?
No, ma'am. I want to focus on the topic of mothers.
I wanted to focus.
I wanted to focus on the mothers.
But you didn't talk about mother's health.
I just go out of the topic.
I just went
out of the topic.
So means here the coherence and cohesion was totally wrong. And then also you were doing tenses mistake. So here I would like to give you only 4 points. Because of wrong coherence and cohesion. Yeah, first part it was a little bit good. It was good, I would like to say. But part 2 was totally out of topic. So whenever you people get any of the question or any of the topic in your examination, this is not only for speaking, this is for reading, listening and writing also. Please maintain your speed. Don't jump immediately on the topic.
Okay.
Maintain the speed. And yeah, I saw when I gave you this paper, pen and 1 minute to jot down your points on cue card. You wrote totally cue card instead of what you want to speak on the paper, and in that 1 minute you need to write down what you want to speak. Like the health related topic, okay, it can be like this is corona, so you want to speak on corona or low immunity. This is the first. Where you read it, I read it in Times of India, let it be the newspaper, or I read it on internet, means anywhere, just the source you write down over here. And then why you read it? Because corona is a very a debatable issue. Many people say that anybody can get corona whether the immunity power is high or low. So I wanted to have in-depth knowledge of this. And then second, how you felt after reading it. Actually, after reading it, I felt really that of course we should take care of our health, because nowadays different kinds of viruses every year attack on human body. So you just write down on the paper what you want to speak according to the cues you get in your examination in cue card. Okay, till the time, please do preparation at your home. We'll meet tomorrow. Goodbye. Take care.